here for your language. Hi everyone, I'm Imi. Lately, I have to go to the bathroom many times in the middle of the night. Something called nocturia. Frequent urination at night, I guess. It really bothers me. Is there anything I can do to make it better, Amy? Oh yeah, you guys, don't forget. You can always count on me. I understand how you are undergoing such a hard time having frequent urination at night.
It worsens the quality of your sleep and takes away your sleep time from you. As a result, your metabolism is reduced and you are more likely to gain weight. It also has a negative effect on skin health.
Did you know that nocturia is caused by the stagnation of water in your body?
In the evening, your calves will accumulate water. When you lie down when you go to bed at night, this water collects in your bladder.
To solve this, massage the calves.
You can get rid of excess water by massaging your calves. In addition, it is important to massage the instep. There are many acupoints on the instep that improve your frequent urination.
Let's massage with me to improve nocturia, frequent urination at night. It's especially effective if you do it at least 3 hours before you go to bed. You can apply oil or cream if you want.
Use a stable chair that does not rotate or rock.
Please subscribe to this channel to make it habit. Let's get 20 years younger with me. Here we go. Now do like this. Welcome and welcome back. Thank you for joining today. I am so glad that you are sharing energy with me. And now do like this. Shake your legs for a warm-up. You can do vegan yoga every day, morning, daytime, or evening, anytime you want. And now do like this. Shake your feet to release tension. And now the other side. And now rotate like this. And other side. Don't stop while ads are on. Now put your hands like this and rotate. Put your fingers in between your toes and rotate your ankles. And the other way around. And the other side too. Rotate. And the other way around. And now, rub like this. Using your knuckle, rub your instep to improve blood circulation. And here. Now do the other foot. And here. And now massage like this. Massaging the base of the toes helps to balance the energy and liquid flow of your body. Don't stop while ads are on. The other side too. Shake your hands like this. Now hands like this and massage. This is really good. Try to find the parts where you feel good. And now do like this. Now hands like this and push as you breathe out. From top to bottom. Repeat a couple of times. Imagine that all clogged waste products are melting away from your calf, and your legs are slimmed down, and you are feeling that more energy is springing up from your calf to make your metabolism of the whole body faster. Grab your hands like this and rotate. Breathe deeply. And now the other side. Don't stop while ads are on. And now the other side. Hand like this and do like this.
Drift away, hold tight. I can save you from this deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight. I can save you from this deep black waters. Pull you in.
And now do like this.
Forever I will fight, but you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Yeah, you drift away.
Hands like this and push as you breathe out.
It was years ago, but how can I forget?
Your calves are the pumps of blood and water circulation of your body. So heal them with your warm hands. They love it.
In a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you. Ooh, I still dream of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake.
And now do like this.
If you love me again, my friend, this time is different. So please do not let me go. Please do not let me go.
And now the other side.
It was years ago, but I still see your face.
Don't stop while ads are on.
How you talked in your sleep. We had plans and
Put your belly forward and breathe in, and stretch your back, breathe out.
I don't know.
This exercise helps to increase flexibility inside of the pelvis and improves water circulation. And it's effective for nocturia. I'm so glad that you chose to embrace yourself with love. You are amazing. Your one step today is a great investment to your future beauty. Let's grow our beauty more together with me again. Put your hand like this and stretch. Breathe deeply here. Listen to me while you do this. Share your story of vegan yoga practice. How did your life change? How did your mind and body change? How did your relationship with other people change? Please post your comments for Amy. Your share contributes to uplifting others all over the world. I can help you your transformation. You can always count on me. If you like this video, please hit like button. That really encourages me. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. My goal is to make the world's biggest over 40 health and beauty channel with you, and you. Please give me your power by hitting the subscribe button. Now I recommend these videos for you. See you in my next videos.